makeup. So and I have my friend Celeste here, and she. Hi guys.
Hi guys, this is Heer Naik and I have my friend Celeste here and she's going to be doing my makeup today. So let's go. Foundation. Okay.
I'm not the best at it, but I'm gonna dab it in. Don't be afraid to get in there, cause make sure you get the neck. You don't want your skin to look like two-tone. Girl, those are so, you don't even need eyelash extensions. Everything here is perfect.
So we did the foundation and now we're gonna do, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna take Fenty Beauty concealer.
We're gonna do concealer.
And if you know, Rihanna came out with a lot of shades. So that's one good product because she wasn't afraid to go from very light to very dark. So I'm just gonna go. Y'all don't make fun of how I put on my concealer, but
hold up, let me show them. Look. Put it.
And don't be afraid to put on concealer because I know some people be like, there you go. No, honey, you need to get in there because them under eyes, they something else when you stressing.
We're done with concealing.
Alright,
so now we're gonna do contouring and I'm using the contour from Wet n Wild.
see that?
Yeah, okay.
Y'all need to leave some comments below. Comment, share, subscribe.
I love Wet n Wild in general. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment down below what kind of video you want me to do next. This is just a random vlog video. I didn't plan it. We just came up with it. So yeah.
So it's not the best, but it's just some type of tutorial. It's some type of tutorial. I do that last.
Oh, okay. She does it last.
But since you want me to do it, since it's here, I'll do it. Just need you to look up. I mean, she already has a perfect jawline. No need for it.
Now we are going to be starting on eye makeup and my friend is using, let me show you. We are using my KYLIE Jenner, and what shades are you using?
I'm not sure what the name is, but I'm using this first highlight, and then I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay KRISTEN LEANNE. I'm going to use this Tajin, and then the Stay Gold, and then I'm going to use this black for underneath her eyelids.
eyes right now.
Eyebrows move so well with the brush. It's like you have to be so like gentle with it because it literally goes in whatever direction I'm brushing it.
So guys, for my lips, I am using lipstick from Wet n Wild. The shade name is Give Me Mocha. I love this lipstick. I mean, I use it for almost everything because it goes with everything. So yeah. So guys, for my eyeliner, I am using this waterproof eyeliner from Wet n Wild. And I'm gonna do it myself, so you guys can get some tutorial or whatever. You guys have been asking me for it since so long. Guys, I forgot to mention this before, but I'm also doing the photo shoot. This is the reason why I was putting so much makeup on my face. But this is the final look for my photo shoot. So guys, that was the end of the video. I hope you guys like my makeup and my look. I did take some pictures and you'll see the new pictures on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram. The link is down in the description. And this is Celeste, this is Nancy, and I'm here. Bye!
Bye!
Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.